Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you LangChain versus LlamaIndex 2025. Which one is better? LangChain is a framework specifically designed to help developers integrate LLMs into complex workflows. Now let's begin with the pros. Flexibility. LangChain supports building complex applications like chatbots, summarization tools, and knowledge-based systems by chaining LLM responses with custom logic. Number two, integration with tools. It integrates well with external APIs, vector, databases, and cloud services, making it a versatile solution for advanced use cases. Custom pipelines. You can create custom pipelines that incorporate multiple steps such as fetching data, processing it, and generating outputs. There is a wide adoption. It's well documented and supported by an active community, which is helpful for troubleshooting and learning. Now let's go to the cons. Steep learning curve. Setting up and understanding complex workflows can be challenging for beginners. Overkill for simple tasks. LangChain might feel so heavy for straightforward applications. Then we move on to LlamaIndex. LlamaIndex specializes in connecting language models with your data, focusing on efficient and structured data querying. Let's go with the pros. Data-centric design. LlamaIndex allows you to index and query your data with precision, making it perfect for tasks like document retrieval or knowledge management. Ease of use. It simplifies the process of enabling LLMs to interact with structured and unstructured data sources. And it has a heavy focus on optimization. It's specifically optimized for working with large datasets, making queries faster and more effective. LlamaIndex is more streamlined and easier to implement for data-heavy projects. Now, the cons is that it has a limited scope. While it excels at data retrieval, it doesn't offer the same versatility as LangChain for creating end-to-end workflows. And it has a smaller ecosystem. The community and resources are growing but still smaller than LangChain's. So, which one is better between the two? LangChain is generally more versatile and better suited for a wider range of applications. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.